Okay, Soundscape recording in Central Park, New York. Just come past some like trance, live trance music that we couldn't afford to get into, but we had a little listen from behind. Just going down to this little park bit now with a little fountain down there. Oh, big fountain really, and next to the big lake. And I'm going to do a little soundscape recording, try not to fall down the stairs in front of me. Okay, flip the phone, and 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's done. So I'm going to respond to that, answer all the enter all my responses for it, upload that